an obligation to our alma mater, the Inabanga High School. In deep gratitude to God, to our parents, of serving our country, we implore God Almighty that He may give us strength and courage to do our duties as leaders in our community, and at all times stand for what is true and so help.
Is the expression of the soul.